In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove lines and grids in Notes on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now and we're going to change this through settings because Notes has a setting where you can choose the line and grid style for your notes. So first, I'm going to open the settings app, the grey gear icon. If you don't see it on the page you're on, just swipe left or right until you spot it. Once you see settings, go ahead and tap it to open. Okay, now settings is open and we need to go into apps. So at this point I'm scrolling down the settings list until I see apps. I'm moving steadily and watching the labels as they pass by. Alright, I see apps, so I'm tapping on apps. Now we're on the apps screen and we need to find notes. So at this point I'm scrolling through the list until I see notes. I'm going slowly so it's easy to spot. Alright, I see notes, so I'm tapping on notes. Now we're inside the Notes settings page. This is where you can adjust how Notes behaves, and the option we need is lines and grids. So at this point I'm looking for lines and grids, and once I see it I'm going to tap it. Okay, tapping lines and grids now. Alright, now you're on the lines and grids screen. This is where you can add or remove lines and grids in your notes by choosing the style you want. So at this point you can tap the option that matches what you prefer, whether you want no lines, lined paper, or a grid style. Once you select the option you want, it updates right away, so you don't need to save anything. And when you're done, you can tap back or exit settings whenever you're ready, and Notes will now use the lines or grid option you chose.